What's going on, everybody? Bones here with CAJUN RNEWBBQ. Hope you're doing fine. I'm making it myself. So today is day 3 of putting the new barbecue shack together. Today is all about putting the tin on the roofing. I didn't film putting together most of the second section, seeing as it was basically just duplicating putting the first section together. Didn't see it as a point. So today is putting together that roofing. I put on a bead of this leak stopper roofing cement. It's basically a waterized rubber cement gap, so that way when the two panels overlock each other, it'll stop the water from intruding. I also have the roof pitched at an angle, so that way the water just sheds off to the side. So stick around, we're gonna get right to it. Give y'all a quick tour of the structure, the way it looks. Yep, it's on a slope going this way towards the ditch line. I've got 1x6s that'll run across the area that the tin will attach to. That'll be the wall area that I film up against. That'll be the last thing that I build. Plus there will be a wall over this way here that'll stop the sunlight from interfering with the filming process. Alright everybody, today is day 4. This is like structure number 8 of this type of construction that I've built. So I've gotten pretty good at building these things. So it takes me no time to build them. Today is lighting and possibly tackling this back wall here. We'll see how fast I get the lighting done.